Babes, you wanna come for a sortie? And Sita, fully excited, says, इसमें तो मुझे भी बैठना है, मुझे भी ले चलो, please. Ravana then fully pissed says, आजा मेरी गाड़ी में बैठ जा, आजा मेरी गाड़ी में बैठ जा. Ayo, what is this? Before the song is over, Sita is already on board. But Pushpak Vimana cannot take off without the pre-flight briefing. And so enters our voluptuous Julie, the ultimate mall of Lanka, जिसने मचा रखा है लंका में डंका. यात्रीगण कृपया ध्यान दें, एयर लंका में आपका स्वागत है. इस विमान में कुल 4 सीटें हैं, 2 दाएं 2 बाएं. खान पान की कोई सुविधा नहीं है. आपातकालीन स्थिति में भगवान को याद करें. इफ नो जॉय इजे. यात्रा के दौरान अगर आपको किसी चीज की आवश्यकता हो तो आपकी सीट के बाएं तरफ एक बटन है, उसे दबाना मत. 10 का नोट निकाल के रखना, मैं आ जाऊंगी. चल हट लुच्चा, इसके 100 रुपए. चलो मैं जाती हूँ. याद रखना जूली है मेरा नाम. And so the Pushpak Viman takes off. Ayyo Murga, what is this? What a twist! Air situation being fluid. We have switch of heights and switch of rows. Fire! Let's go! Ram and Lakshman barely escaping Veerappan, totally failing in their mission. From far sees the Pushpak Viman. Lakshman, showing quick reflexes, says, "Bhaiya, bhaiya, वो उड़ता हुआ है, उसे मत देखो, उसे तो मत लो." But still out of love, our Rigirigi Rama and left hand Lakshmana run towards it, but it was too late. Ravana was already full with Sita. Now check out the scene on board Pushpak Vimana. Where Sita was enjoying the sortie and Ravana was looking at her with buri nazar. Ravana asked Sita, "Sita, तुम इतना हिला क्यों रही हो इस जहाज को?"
अरे ये तो हवा का झोंका है जो मुझे हिला रहा है, झुला रहा है, झुला रहा है.
Ultimately, Sita gets fed up and asks Ravan, "चलो चलो, बहुत हो गया, अब तो मुझे छोड़ दो, चलो मुझे वापस छोड़ दो रावण." Ravan then showing his true intentions. अब तो तुम्हें मेरे साथ ही चलना पड़ेगा. Sita, fully confused, panicked, started screaming, "अयो, भगवान के लिए मुझे छोड़ दो, भगवान के लिए मुझे छोड़ दो." पर उसका वहां सुनने वाला कोई नहीं था. Ravan quickly passes the Pushpak Viman into the hangar and keeps Sita in the forest next to the hangar. Here Ram and Lakshman are doing a massive search and rescue operation for Sita. During search operation, they come across a strange creature. Ram, looking at this unique creature, asks, "Who are you?" Then the strong man says, "I am Hanuman." Now Lakshman, out of curiosity, asks Hanuman, "How did you get this name Hanuman?" For this he replies, "All strong men in this world are called He-Man, She-Man, Batman, Scatman, Spider-Man. On similar lines, I am Hanuman." Now Rigirigi Rama and left hand Lakshmana tell their problem to Hanuman, and Hanuman commits himself to help them and calls for his Sena. Oh my God, what is this? But the Sena is already stuck in Leh without any transport support. Rigirigi Rama and left hand Lakshmana sit to make their master planner. Hanuman sends some Guptachar in search of Sita. Rama gives Hanuman the ring. Sonic Hanuman using super cruise engine in no time intercepts Sita of a type 3 PI of a longer way turn and calls.
Flash.
Hanuman tells her the entire flashback and gives her the ring. Ayo, what is this? Total change in scene. Sita totally misunderstanding Hanuman, thinking he is proposing to her. Says, Adharmi, Papi, Tulachari, Atyachari, Brahmachari, but Mata, I am Brahmachari. Hanuman totally worried, feeling like a fish just fried and great-grandfather just died. In his heart contemplates do what? Totally sad. He somehow manages to clear the misunderstanding and using the latest technology.
98-100-3546. हेलो कौन बात कर रहा है? कौन? लक्ष्मण। कैसा रे तू? मैं अच्छी। तू कैसा है? अरे नहीं रे, अभी ऊंची अंडा बनाए पकाए खाया रावण के यहाँ से आई। चल राम को दे। अरे वो नहीं, फोन दे रे। हेलो राम, हाय, हाउ आर यू? आई एम फाइन, थैंक यू। आई लव यू ना। आई लव यू ना। मेरी मोहब्बत का इंतजाम ले रहो क्या? अच्छा लिखो, एड्रेस लिखो। श्रीलंका। अभी पूरा किधर बताई मैं? श्रीलंका के अंदर लंका कंपाउंड। हाँ अच्छा रखो ना रोमिंग पे। चल बाय, आई लव यू ना।
Hanuman consoles Sita that both of them should wait for the Rigirigi Rama and left hand Lakshmana. There runs the way. One side Rigirigi Rama and left hand Lakshmana, and other side super villain Ravana and his 1000 chelas. Full scale Ghamasan Yudh. But there was no result. Suddenly enters our very own Munna Bhai MBBS with a surprise. Our Munna Bhai gives Jadoo ki Jhappi to both Ram and Ravana and hands over Sita to Ram. So Ram gets Sita and Ravan gets Rita. Wow, what an ending. Total reconcile, close all file, no more recoil. Hatred was foiled and Ravan returns Sita to Rama. And to celebrate this happy moment, let us hear one duet Gana. So they all decide to go for a sortie on Vishpak Viman together. But before boarding, Hanuman gives the moral of the story. If there is no Sita, there is always a Rita. If there is no Rita, there is always a Gita. If there is no Gita, then remain Akela and have a Kela.